Ready? Hey, I got to make Mom 2 bows that are quite similar for her 2 boxwood wreaths. So, just to make sure I have the right length, I took one of the tails to make sure the tails were the same length. So it'd be pretty close. I'm just gonna make a twin.
I like that ribbon.
There too, this is new ribbon that we just got, but this is kind of a, what is it? What does it
faux
say?
linen.
Faux linen, but it's pretty stiff. This orange.
That's pretty too.
Cute pumpkins.
So which Bowmaker are you using?
I'm using M's Bowmaker. We use that and the Easy Bow. This is just the one that happened to be out and on the top.
Now what's different about it?
They're very similar, but this one, the pegs screw in, and then when it's done, when you're finished with it, it folds up into just this one size, and so it doesn't take up as much room. We've literally taken it to market or to an event in our purse or a suitcase, just because it's. If you get there and decide you want to make something, you've got an easy little bow maker, which
And what is that taupe? What color is
this
that?
is taupe. This is that diagonal weave taupe, and it's a good neutral.
So you're using the zip tie just to hold
Yeah,
this.
just to hold it.
And we're not using a chenille stem, so that's why
No.
you didn't slide one under there.
Right, I'm just using that, and then just use that to cover up the middle.
Rachel would be proud of you.
I know, wouldn't she?
Cover up the mechanics.
Then I'll just put a piece of wire. I don't know that I put your wire on the other one yet. Under it. So that you can tie it to your wreath if it'll go under there.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, I went through it. Okay. Give you a little bit longer legs to tie it with. Hold up. Oh, it's hot in here.
Those will be just right for my boxwoods. They're not huge boxwoods on my side doors.
Right. You got all those magnolias on the back too.
I've got those 3. I've been waiting. I guess I'll just wait and do something else for fall out there.
Yeah, but, sorry. So there's that one. And there's that one.
Okay.
And I'll go back and trim them, make their tails even.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.